Hello guys, welcome back to my new video. And guys, today I have made a gearbox. Yes, guys, gearbox. Gears are used in many mechanical and hard working machines. Like, to give an example, we can take that sugarcane machines. Nowadays, the sugarcane machines are using the gears to rotate the another wheel. Means if this wheel is rotating the anti-clockwise, so the another gear fixed here, and it will rotate it clockwise. So guys, this is the working of the gear. And the another working of the big gears are they are used to increase speed of an object, like in cycle. If the pedal size, if we increase it and give it pedal to the smaller size, which this that angle is attached to the wheel, so guys, it can means generate more power. If we rotate the front wheel very slowly, so the back wheel can rotate it very fastly. So this cycle, many youtubers have made it. So this concept, taking this concept, I have made another gearbox which can generate electricity also. It can generate, and if we put motors, it can generate electricity also. So I will show you that project. Come on. So guys, this is my working that gear model. So I will explain how it is working and what are its advantages. So first, there are three wheels, and materials I will show, tell you what I have used here. First of all, the all simple cardboard, and I have used to decorate here like this blue color paper, craft paper, and nothing more. And this thread to work like a pulley, and this what to say, that toothpick to rotate the wheel. So I will show you how it is working. This, see guys, this is the 1x speed. Means if I will rotate this wheel, so this wheel will rotate its means one time faster it will rotate, and here it will rotate two times faster. So four times faster it will rotate the last wheel. So if we fix here motor, so it can generate electricity also. So let's start. So see, I will explain one by one. This is the first wheel. When I rotate it, you can see I am rotating this wheel very slowly. But see this last wheel, I am rotating here slowly. But that last wheel, it is rotating very fast. And what is happening here, this second wheel is very means it is medium speed. This is slow speed, this is medium speed, and this is fast speed. So when I rotate this, so you can see the gears are rotating. Means see, this is the bigger gear. I will see, I will show you this time. See guys, this is the bigger gear. See, this is the bigger gear, this upper side, this is the bigger gear, and this is the smaller gear. So what is happening here, I have attached this rope this to the bigger gear. And what is happening, the bigger gear has been here to the smaller gear. See this gear, this bigger gear is to the smaller gear. And again this bigger gear, see this bigger gear, and another, this last one, it is of smaller gear. So like this only, the concept of means we can generate electricity also by, see, by generating here motor. Motor needs more energy to produce electricity. So if we rotate this wheel very slowly, and this is working very fast, so it can generate electricity also. So this way we can generate electricity. And big machines, they we are using this concept of means big machines, we are using this concept of taking the electricity and working on more such experiments. So guys, this is how I showed you my homemade working gearbox model. Hope you like my video. Like, share and subscribe to my channel. This video like goal is 10. So please complete my like goal. It will be hopeful for me. Love and peace and bye.